Hello, fellow small business owners. I'm Katy Martinez, the Profit Finder. Are you ready to get your business bookkeeping organized, but you don't know where to start? Terrific, because in this video, I'm going to give you the steps you need to get started. And I'm also going to show you how business bookkeeping is the key to better understanding and growing your business. Are you ready to learn more? Let's go inside and chat. If you're anything like I was when I started my co-working business, the last thing you want to work on are the numbers. You're too busy trying to figure out what to sell, how to sell it, and creating processes to smoothly make and deliver your product or service. That's okay. We all start there. But here's something you need to understand. Bookkeeping isn't just about what has already happened. It's about building the foundation for the future. Done well, bookkeeping becomes the heartbeat of your business. It's a vital tool that will show you what's working well, what can be improved, and what you can do to grow your business. The story of your business is important for communicating with the banks, your investors, regulatory agencies, including the IRS. In short, it's the story of your business in numbers. And here's a little understood fact. You can start writing that story yourself. All it takes is a little bit of organization. Here's another way to think about organizing your books. Do you like to eat? I sure do. I love good food that is well cooked and seasoned well. But if I don't want to eat out in a restaurant all the time or out of a box, then I need a place to cook those tasty meals. Imagine if my kitchen wasn't organized. It would take me 5 times as long to be able to put together a good meal. So the first thing I did when I moved into this home was to organize it so it would work for me. I put all the glasses into this cabinet. Oh, these glasses were given to my parents when they got married 75 years ago. I love that I can still use them today. And over here, I have plates and bowls. And over here, I have my spices. And there's where I keep my cereals and pastas, flour and sugar. And that is my dessert cabinet. The best part about setting up a kitchen is while there are a lot of similarities between well-organized kitchens, you can still set it up so that it works well for you. You might have looked at some of the ways that I set up my kitchen and said, oh, I have a better way to do it than that. And that's awesome. That means you've figured out something that works best for you. With an organized kitchen, you don't waste time looking for things, and putting things away is really simple because everything has a place. You'll know when you need to buy another one of your staple ingredients, and you're less likely to buy a duplicate because you know what you have and you can find it. And here's the magic. When you have an organized kitchen, you can invite in a professional chef to cook for you, and they'll be able to figure out your kitchen without a lot of effort. Wait! I thought this was a video about bookkeeping. Why are we talking about an organized kitchen? Because your financial systems are your business kitchen. Just like you can invite a professional chef into a well-organized kitchen and they'll figure out where things are, you can invite a bookkeeper or an accountant into your bookkeeping systems and they'll be able to find where everything is. Plus, just like in a well-organized kitchen, getting your business finances organized first gives you the power to choose what path you want to go forward with. You could do your own bookkeeping manually. You could switch over and use an accounting package like QuickBooks, or you can delegate the work to a pro like a bookkeeper or an accountant. So where do you start organizing your financial kitchen? Well, you start in the same place as your real kitchen with an inventory. Running a business is hard enough without the stress of not knowing where your money is going. If you feel like it's a waste of time and money to sort out your finances, I get it. As a fellow small business owner and trained accountant, I've developed a simple, easy to understand financial fast track system to help you take control. In just 3 do it together sessions, you'll build a repeatable financial tracking system that gives you confidence and helps you keep more profit. Our group sessions are intentionally small, so you get customized support. Learn more by going to keepingmydollars.com. Your first step is to inventory all of your money accounts. Make a list of all the places where your money lives, visits, or goes. This means identifying all of your checking, savings, credit card, and loan accounts. This is the first step of monitoring how your money flows in and out of your business. If you're currently using a personal bank account for your business, you'll make your life so much easier if you'll set up a dedicated business checking account instead. I can't stress this enough. If you want to know more, check out this video. Once you have your money account inventory, you're ready to start working on your chart of accounts. Think of this as a master list of all the categories or accounts for your business. It's the same way that you have cupboards that organize your plates, cups, and spices in your kitchen. This is where you will also organize your income and your expense categories so you have everything in one place. That makes it easier to track everything. And this organization enables you to see how your bottom line is impacted by what you do every day. Next, collect all your key documents, including your invoices and receipts. I've seen hundreds of business owners struggle with this, but it's a critical step. Make sure you have all your bank and credit card statements saved electronically on your computer. This gives you easy access to your information and gives you control over your financial data. Now it's time to organize all of your customer and vendor information. Take an inventory of everyone you buy from and who buys from you. This is an important step because it gives you a clear picture of who you do business with. Not only will this save you a ton of time down the road, it's key information that you'll want to be able to give to a bookkeeper or an accountant if you ever delegate your work to them. An organized list of your vendors and customers will get them up to speed much faster in a fraction of the time, and that will save you money. Do you send invoices to your customers? If so, make sure that they're professional and they're branded with your logo and company information. A well-designed invoice is a key business document, and it will help you get paid successfully every time. If you want to learn more about invoicing, check out this video. Once you have all your foundational information gathered, you're ready to start tracking your daily transactions. You could use a simple spreadsheet or pen and paper to record all the activity for a month. Subtract your expenditures from your income, and if you have a positive number, congratulations, you have a profit for the month. This process is the heart of bookkeeping, figuring out what you start with and then tracking your monthly activity, your transactions, so that you can see what the effect is on your bottom line. You'll find that you'll learn about your business if you do this initial work, and it will help you build confidence in your numbers. Getting your finances organized is the foundation of a profitable business. Now that you've seen the simple steps of setting up your financial kitchen, your next step is to put a system in place. Whether you decide to continue doing your own bookkeeping or switch over to software or to delegate your work to a pro, getting organized will make it much easier. You'll have a clear picture of your business, and that will enable you to make the best decision for you. Are you ready to take control of your numbers? Well, then I'll see you in the next video. Until then, shield your profits.